paano kung mga taong magpapayaman sa'yo ay ang mga walang alam sa negosyo mo? Ngayon, imagine may butas na yung ngipin mo, pero hindi masakit. Kaya ang ginawa mo is hindi mo pinapansin. Pero one day, merong isang dentista na nagsabi sa'yo na, uy, alam mo ba kapag hinayaan mo yan, pwedeng ma-infect ang buong panga mo? Ngayon, biglang naging problema na siya sa'yo. Okay? Kasi aware ka na. Ngayon, kung gusto mo ipaayos, here's my question, saan mo ba siya ipapaayos? Di ba yung dentista mismo na nagsabi ng problema? In this case, you targeted the unaware customers. Now, sino ba sila? These are the customers that don't even know they have a problem. It's like may butas ka nga sa ngipin pero hindi mo alam yung mga consequences. Ngayon, how do you target this specific customer segment? It's through curiosity. Kasi nga, they are not aware that they have a problem. So, the first thing is to get their attention. Ngayon, how do we apply this to your business? So, in the next few segments, I'm going to share with you a product example and a service example. Now, starting with the product example. Let's say you have a skincare business. The wrong way of doing it is saying na, uy, buy our glutathione soap, whitening and anti-aging to. Okay? It's the wrong way kasi, again, you are targeting the unaware people. They don't even know they have a problem. So, ano ba yung right way of doing this? You do this, for example, alam mo ba na nakakasira ng mukha ang pagsasabon araw-araw? Ito ang reason kung bakit. Are you seeing that? There's no mention of your product, of your price, or even the problem yet. Kumbaga, yung ginawa mo is just to get their attention. Kumbaga, pinaparamdam mo lang na may ginawa silang mali at hindi nila alam yun. So, yun naman for product. Now, let's go to services. Okay, let's say you own a dental clinic. So, the wrong way is saying na, uy, book your cleaning today, 500 pesos only. Kasi, they are unaware nga. So, what's the right way of doing this? Example, alam mo bang hindi nakakalinis ng ngipin ang pagtututbrush araw-araw? Ito yung kulang. Are you seeing that? So, walang mention ng clinic or any appointment or any service. We just created curiosity. Ngayon, to illustrate this further, ang pinakasikat na gumagamit nito na hook na targeting to the unaware customers is si Doc Alvin. Ngayon, check mo to. This is the first video.
Kung araw-araw ka nagsha-shampoo, di mo to napapansin, pero nalalagas na ang buhok mo.
This is the second video.
Alam mo bang pwede kang magka-infection kung laging ganto yung underwear mo?
This is the third video.
Kung mahilig kang umupo ng ganto, o kaya ganyan, hindi mo to napapansin, pero may epekto yan sa kalusugan mo.